Hello students, welcome to the Digi classes of Christchurch Convent Gadawara. I am Deepak Kaurab, your English teacher. Today we will do the exercises of chapter 3 adjectives of class 7th, and the book's name is PC Lens Grammar. Okay, so let's start. Exercise first. Underline all the adjectives in the following sentences and say to which class each of them belongs. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to underline the adjectives from the sentences and also have to name the adjective which class they belongs. Okay, first, the ship sustained heavy damage. I repeat, the ship sustained heavy damage. Here, heavy, you have to underline heavy because it's an adjective, and you have to name it by adjective of quality. Okay, so heavy is an adjective of quality. Now, second one, every dog has his day. Okay, so every dog has his day. You have to underline every, and it's a distributive adjective. A live ass is better than a dead lion. Here, live and dead are the adjectives of quality. Why they are used as an adjective of quality? How they are used as an adjective of quality? Because here live and dead are expressing qualities of ass and lion. Okay, fourth one, neither party is quite in the right. Okay, so here neither is a distributive adjective. Now next, fifth one, what time is it? So here what is an interrogative adjective. Sixth one, which pen do you prefer? Here which, you have to underline which, and it's an interrogative adjective. Seventh one, Abdul won the second prize. I repeat, Abdul won the second prize. Here second is a definite numeral adjective. Okay, as you know that it's a numeral adjective because it's showing a number second, but it is expressing a fixed time, so that's why it's a definite numeral adjective. My uncle lives in the next house. Here next is the definite numeral adjective. Some dreams are like reality. Here some is a indefinite numeral adjective because some is not a definite number. Okay, now 10th one, there is much talk and little work. Here much and little is an adjective of quantity. Now next, put the adjectives in the brackets in correct order. You have to know that whenever in a sentence more than one adjective is given, then there is a sequence that you have to follow to put those adjectives. First one is opinion, then size, then age, then shape, then color, then origin or a place, then material, then purpose. See, in this particular page it is given in order of adjectives: ओपिनियन प्लस साइज प्लस एज प्लस शेप। आप देख सकते हैं इसी पेज पर ऑर्डर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव जो इस एक्सरसाइज सेकंड के ऊपर दिया हुआ है, आप देख रहे होंगे, उसमें लिखा हुआ है ना ऑर्डर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स: ओपिनियन, साइज, एज, शेप, कलर, ओरिजिन, मटेरियल, पर्पस। सो ये एक सीक्वेंस होता है। यदि आपको एक से ज़्यादा एडजेक्टिव्स दिए होंगे तो आपको इसी सीक्वेंस में उनको अरेंज करना पड़ेगा। लेट्स सी। Put the adjectives in brackets in correct order. A young, strange girl. So here a, then as you know that strange is an opinion. Okay, strange. He's so strange. So it's your opinion. Okay, so that's why strange is a opinion. Then young. Young is a age. Is an age. Okay, so what we have discussed about order: opinion, then size, then age. So age is coming behind opinion, so you have to put first strange, then young. So a strange young girl. Okay, let's see second one: old funny buildings. Old funny buildings. So as you can see here, old is a age and funny is a opinion. Okay, funny is also a opinion, is an opinion. So funny first opinion, then age, old. So funny old buildings. You have to arrange this sentence like this: funny old buildings. Now third one: a new nice blue sari. Okay, so here nice and new both are opinion. Both are opinion. Okay, and blue is a color. Okay, so nice and new are the opinion and blue is a color. So you have to arrange like it: a nice new blue sari, or you can write a new nice blue sari, because nice and new both are opinions, so you can arrange according to you. Okay, a young American tall tourist. So here a young American tall tourist. So here tall is a size. Okay, tall is a size. Young is a age. Young is an age, and American is an origin or place. So how you have to arrange: a, then tall, because tall is a size, then young is a age, size, then age, then American is a origin or place, so young, then American, then tourist. Okay, fifth one: leather old brown shoes. So here leather is a material, old is a age, is an age, then brown is a color. So first what will come? Firstly age will come. Okay, age, then color, then material. Okay, as you can see in the particular chart that is given in your book. Old, then brown, then leather, then shoes. Okay, so old, brown, leather, shoes. This is the correct order of adjectives. Now sixth one, nylon, swimming, black, trunks. So here nylon is a material, swimming is a purpose, swimming is a purpose, then black is a color. So what will come first? Black will come first because it's a color. Then nylon is a matter material. Then after material, then after swimming is a purpose, then trunks. So this is the correct order to frame a sentence. When more adjectives are given in particular sentence, then we wanted meal, a gray table. Okay, so here we wanted a gray metal table. Gray is a color and metal is a material. Okay, then last one, she wore an amazing green silk dress. Amazing is an opinion, then green is a color and silk is a material. Okay, so you have to write she wore an amazing green silk dress. Okay, so note this in your fair copy. Okay, thank you.